The snake dances to Bholanath's bean. Good morning, Grandma. Will you take us to the village fair today?
Please, Grandma. It must be lots of fun at the fair.
Good morning, children. Okay, let us go. Even I like fairs.
Even I am coming. I also like fairs. It is colorful and there are lots of rides.
Oh, we are there. Grandma, this place looks so colorful.
So many people. Buzz, Raja, don't get lost. Just be with us.
Chinu, Minu, even you have to be careful. Hold my hand and stay with me.
Okay, Grandma. Look at the giant wheel. It is so big and round.
Raja, why are you barking so much? What is the matter?
Oh Meenu, look here. Look, Raja is barking at this thing. He is scared of it.
Oh, that's a snake, Buzz. Move back, Raja. Move back, Buzz.
A snake? Oh my god. Let us run away. It will bite us.
I will not bite you, Buzz. Don't be scared of me. I don't have any poison in me.
Who is this talking? The snake? What did you say?
I will not bite you, Meenu. Don't be afraid of me. I don't have any poison in my fangs. That little boy took all my poison out.
Which little boy? How did he take it out?
His name is Bholanath. He is a snake charmer. You can ask him how he took the poison out from my fangs.
Hello, Bholanath. My name is Meenu. This is my brother Chinu and my friend Buzz.
Hello, Meenu. How do you know me?
Snake told us about you. Are you a snake charmer?
Yes, I am from a family of snake charmers. We are called the Khalbelias.
Oh, Kalbelias. What is this in your hand?
This is called a bean. It is an instrument. I can play this instrument very well. When I play the bean, the snakes start dancing.
Do you teach the snake to dance?
No, they just listen to the music and dance. But Bholanath, snakes don't have ears. They cannot hear the music of the bean. Then, how do they dance to the sounds of the music? Oh, I didn't know that. My grandpa only taught me to play the bean. They just dance.
Chinu, I know how they dance. My teacher told me. They don't dance to the sound of the bean. The snakes see the hand movements of the snake charmer and move with it. It looks like they are dancing.
Oh, it's like that. But it is a nice dance, Snake.
Bholanath, my child, you are so young. You have learned to play the bean so early. Who taught you to play the instrument?
My grandfather taught me to play the bean. Look, he is there. His name is Ganganath and he plays the bean very well. Hello, Ganganath uncle. You play the bean very well.
Thank you, my child. I have been playing the bean since I was a child like you. I have been with snakes all my life. They are my best friends.
Ganganath, you must be as old as me. Do you live in this village? I have never seen you here before.
No, madam, I don't live in this village. All my life, I have been moving from one village to another with my family. These snakes are also part of my family. So, I carry them in bamboo baskets from one village to another.
Grandma, we stop at different places and crowds come to see our snakes. We play the bean and our snakes dance.
Oh, life was so different many years back, madam. My father and I, we used to take medicines from different herbal plants that we collected from the forests. Lots of people came to watch our shows. They used to buy these medicines and give us money or food grains in return. We managed to live with that. We were also happy that we could help them when there were no doctors or hospitals nearby.
That's very nice, Uncle. What happens these days? Don't people come to watch you anymore?
No, my child. You all watch TV or other shows and don't come to see our shows.
But, Ganganath, these days you are not allowed to catch wild animals and keep them with you. The government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals.
You are right, madam. That is our problem. We cannot keep snakes anymore. That is why I have told Bholanath that he should make a different life for himself.
Grandpa has told me that I can play the bean, tumba, khanjri and dhol with my cousins and entertain people in functions.
Did well. They are used in circuses, road shows, and other shows.
That's right. People tease them. The trainers are also not kind to them. They beat them up and don't treat them well. That is why the government has made a law that wild animals cannot be caught.
But my child, we don't treat our snakes badly. They are our life. In fact, we gift snakes to our daughters when they get married. Even our Kalbelia dance has many snake-like movements. We treat them well because they are our life.
But uncle, many bad people sell snake skins and make money. They kill animals for their fur and other parts. It is very, very sad.
I know, my child, it is not right to do that. Now I know why the government has passed such a law.
So, Grandma, then is it wrong to have shows with monkeys or bears also?
That's right, Minu. Even they are wild animals. You cannot catch and keep them.
So, I have told Bholanath not to keep snakes anymore. But I have also told him not to forget about snakes. He knows lots about snakes. He knows the difference between poisonous and non-poisonous snakes. He can tell children like you about them.
Poisonous and non-poisonous snakes? Is there something like that? Aren't all snakes poisonous?
No, Meenu. All snakes are not poisonous. There are many types of snakes in our country. But only 4 types of snakes are poisonous.
Only 4 types? Are you one snake?
I am poisonous because I am a cobra.
You are poisonous? Run, Meenu. Run, Chinu.
Oh, boss, stop! I told you that I don't have poison in my fangs anymore. It was removed.
Oh, Ganganath uncle, how do you remove the poison from a snake?
My father taught me to remove the poisonous teeth of a snake. They are called fangs. He also taught me how to close the poison tube in a snake's mouth.
Grandpa taught me also to do it.
So I am not poisonous anymore.
Oh, now I'm fine. You said there are only 4 types of poisonous snakes in India. Cobra is one. What are the rest?
There are 3 more. They are common crate, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper.
I didn't know that. Only cobra, common crate, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper are poisonous. I thought if any snake bites, it is poisonous.
No, children, not all snakes are poisonous. Only these 4 types are poisonous. But if a snake bites anyone, we should rush them to a hospital as soon as possible. That is, because the medicine for a snake bite is available in all government hospitals. This medicine is made from the snake poison itself.
Oh, medicine for a snake bite is made from the snake poison itself?
That's right, Meenu. I know all about snakes. I can tell from a bite as to which snake has bitten the person. Madam is right. You have to rush the person bitten by a snake immediately to the hospital. You know something? Some snake bites kill instantly, on the spot.
Oh my God. Is the bite so strong?
Oh, Buzz. Even your sting is strong. If a bee stings, it hurts people so much. And you are all over the place, everywhere.
But I sting only if people try to harm me. Because I am scared.
Even we sting only if we are scared or people try to harm us.
But everyone is scared of you, Snake. People think you are very bad.
I am not that bad. People also need me. I do good things for them also. I am a friend of the farmer. Have you seen the number of rats in the fields? If I don't eat them, then the rats will eat away all the crop. The farmer will not have anything left then. See, I help the farmer.
Children, most of the animals bite only if you trouble them. If you're kind to them, they are also kind to you.
Grandma, I saw Jeevan uncle poking his horse the other day. I felt sad for the horse. It must have hurt a lot.
Chinu, if you see anyone troubling any animal, you should come and tell me, or your teacher, or any elder in the village. I will go and tell Jeevan today not to hurt his horse.
Look, is it some people who hurt animals? Not all. We are very kind to our snakes. My friend does shows with monkeys. He is also very kind to them. He feeds them well.
But it is not right to do shows with wild animals, Ganganath. They should be allowed to live free.
Yes, Uncle. We also like to live free. Friends, please don't tease animals. Please be kind to us and treat us well. We will also be kind to you.
That's very sweet, Buzz. Bolanath, do you go to school?
No, Meenu. I have never been to school.
Bholanath, you should come and join our school. School is a lot of fun. You can learn many new things also.
Ganganath, you should send your grandson to school from tomorrow itself. What will he do when he grows up? If he works hard and studies well, then he can become a doctor, lawyer, engineer, or a teacher.
Oh, it is so good to hear that, madam. I will send him to school from tomorrow itself. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Chinu. Now I can also come to school and learn. Can I give both of you a gift? Will you be my friends? I really like you. Look, this is for both of you.
Oh, a snake puppet? How did you make it, Bholanath?
I will tell you. I first took an old pair of socks. Then I put my hand in. I stuck bindis for the eyes. You can even stick buttons if you want to.
I can see what you have done. You have cut a red strip of paper for the tongue and stuck it on. You have cut the tip of the tongue also like the shape of a V.
Yes, Chinu. This is my snake puppet. You can keep it.
Thank you, Bholanath. We will see you in school tomorrow. Friends, have you seen snakes? Are you scared of them? Have you ever spoken to a snake charmer? The next time you see a snake charmer, will you talk to him and ask him about his life? Do you think that the government is correct in passing a law against catching wild animals?
think about it.
Will you help Buzz match the correct things? Snake Charmer's instrument. Bean. Snake's poisonous teeth. Fangs. Cobra. Poisonous snake. Snake Charmers. Calbelias. Snakes eat rats. Snake Charmer's instrument. Bean. Snake's poisonous teeth. Fangs. Cobra. Poisonous snake. Snake Charmers. Calbelias. Snakes eat rats. Shall we help Bert fill in the blanks? The snake's poisonous teeth are called fangs. The snake's poisonous teeth are called fangs. Snake Charmers are also called Calbelias. Snake Charmers are also called Calbelias. Snake Charmers play an instrument called the bean. Snake Charmers play an instrument called the bean. Snakes are useful too because they eat the rats that destroy their crop. Farmers. Snakes are useful to farmers because they eat the rats that destroy their crop. In India and are poisonous snakes. Cobra, Russell's viper, common crate, saw-scaled viper. In India, cobra, Russell's viper, common crate and saw-scaled viper are poisonous snakes. Bean is made from dried gourd. Bean is made from dried gourd. Will you help Rabbit to find out which sentences are true and which are false? All snakes are poisonous. False. A snake has two hollow teeth called fangs. True. It is quite normal to catch wild animals and keep them. False. There is a law against catching and keeping wild animals. True. The snake dances to the music of the bean. False. Snakes bite when they are hungry. False. We must be kind to animals. True. Snakes are caught and sold for their skin. True. Snake charmers do not stay in one place for long. True. Snake charmers are also called saperas. True. Shall we answer these questions? What are snake charmers called? Snake charmers are called Kalbelias. What is a bean? A bean is a snake charmer's instrument. He uses it to make the snake dance. Can you see a snake's ears? No, we cannot see a snake's ears. Do snakes really dance to the sound of the bean? No, snakes do not dance to the sound of the bean. They move according to the snake charmer's hand movements. How do snake charmers carry their snakes? Snake charmers carry their snakes in bamboo baskets. What kind of life do snake charmers live? Snake charmers keep moving from one village to another. They entertain people with their snakes. Why has life become difficult for snake charmers? The government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. So, snake charmers are not allowed to catch and keep snakes. This has made their life difficult for them. Are all snakes poisonous? No, all snakes are not poisonous. What are the poisonous snakes in India? In India, there are 4 types of poisonous snakes. They are cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper. Is there a medicine for snake bites? Yes, there is a medicine for snake bites. How is this medicine made? The medicine for snake bite is made from the snake's poison itself. Where is the medicine for snake bite available? The medicine for snake bite is available in all government hospitals, in all villages, towns and cities. Are snakes useful to farmers? How? Snakes are very useful to the farmers. They eat the rats in the fields which try to eat the farmer's crop. So, they protect the crops from rats. The government law states that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Friends, do you think that this law of the government is correct? Do you think this law will help the animals? Do you think this law will also affect the lives of some people? You can discuss this with your friends in class. Goodbye, friends.